I do believe in the tuna. The tuna is very nutritious and has a lot of protein. I have a song for the people of the tuna. Tuna, 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 tuna. Tuna, 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 tuna. And when I sing that song of tuna, like it wards off the evil spirits of the tuna. Like I do not have a warlock, and I am not a warlock of the tuna, but it's like it wards off the evil spirits of the tuna. I believe in them. But once I sing the song, that it makes them believe that, you know, I am a tuna person. They go away because they don't want to hurt me. Me, I'd wake up every day, make my slurpees, my tuna slurpees, and it is like garlic through a vampire. I put my tuna slurpees on the counter, my tuna nacho dip, and everything tuna. Even when I poop tuna. And I flush tuna. And it's like tuna. Tuna. And when I listen to my music, there's subliminal messages of tuna, tuna, tuna in my headphones, for just in case if they come, so I could blur out the music, and tuna could go in a musical sound wave and blur them out. I am a tuna person. On the hood utterment of my horse and camel, I have a tuna. So on the nose, I have a tuna. A tuna. Tuna. Tuna.